I really want this, man, but
It's going up.
yeah, I know.
Whoa.
It's now or never. It used to be,
Going up?
yeah, it used to be 1,200. Now, and then it went to 1,600, then 1,800, then 2K, then 2.2, then 2.4, and now it's 2.5, and rising.
I hate how high it's going up. Dude, all the Japanese promos are always the best ones, too.
Yeah. I can take a look at everything if you want. Okay, 1910 would be market here at 80%. I'd give you 15 trade value, so 1K on top. If you want these plus 1,000 for that. You can throw more stuff if you want, up to you. 2650 last sold. Holy shit. I want 26. I will honor the 1,000 for you if you want it, but once you leave, next person, lowest ask is gonna be 26 for this.
900, you got a deal.
Okay.
These are good, man. These are good
I know,
cards.
this is 2650. Even at 1K, I'm screwing myself over right now. I'm literally being honest with you. I basically just mispriced my card. It's actually 2650, not 25. This will probably be like 3,500 by the end of the year.
I know.
All right, Dante came from Mexico, or technically he lives in Chicago, but he's taking the Charizard. In exchange, we are getting 4 slabs and some cash. We're getting the Eevee Snorlax promo, Lugia Altar from Silver Tempest, Glaceon from Prismatic Evolutions, and the Charmander illustration rare from 151, plus $1,000 cash for the Zardy boy. Enjoy it, man. Appreciate you.
That's a grail right there, man.
Yes, sir. Is that your biggest card right now?
Yeah, and it'll be for a while.
Yeah, that one's nice.
I'm done.
I was gonna alt it.
Give it a go. It's happens, man.
I hate this Pikachu. And the rest cash?
What did you say you wanted to be at?
7. I mean, I'd take it at, I guess, 80%. I just sold one for 7.
You get the golden tax, bro. What would you do? Cash and
Whatever. I guess I hate this card. Let me ask my friend. It's like 320 to 330. These.
okay.
You want to trade those in?
Yeah. What do you do, cash?
Okay, 325 times 2. I hate those cards. I'll give you 500 credit for these. So 6,500 cash plus those 2. All right, 6,500. I just hate this card. What's your name again?
You hate that card?
Chris?
Chris, yeah.
What was your IG?
Yeah, more.
PM1. All right, Chris from the UK, from Birmingham City Football Club. He's giving me 2 Pikachus, Booty Chews, and he's giving me a bunch of cash. In exchange, we're selling this shiny poncho. We've literally sold 2 of these in the last 30 minutes. I'm out of them. I don't have any more. Man, cards I see every day. You want this, right? All trade, you don't want to put any cash?
I'm trying not to.
Okay.
You like seal?
Okay. What's up?
Do you like seal? I have old school.
I don't have space for seal, that's the thing. I have to fly out in a couple hours.
I will let you get rid of them.
Oh no, those take way too much space.
Yeah.
Do you have cash for the rest?
Huh?
Do you have cash like different, or you really
A
want?
little bit of cash, yes.
Okay. 800? Well, that's market? Okay.
Talk to me.
You tell me. Cash, right?
Yeah, 6,950 for me.
You want to do a big flip, huh?
I'll do 0.16 if you want, bro.
Oh, damn.
You know I will as well.
0.16?
Bro, I just lost the Gengar that I picked up, so I'm down to like. It's gonna
Take these from me.
No, bro, I don't want these. I don't even want these 80%.
0 to 16, bro.
No, 1,600.
Yeah, do it.
That's not that bad.
Listen,
$800 flip, double or nothing.
Yeah, listen.
Bonus, bro. God damn.
He's got them. We just do 6,950.
That's so tough. Oh, it's hard.
You'll give me a little something. Come.
That's margin.
I come and see you all the time, bro. You're still repping, bro. Come on.
Let's do. I'm in this for like 200.
Oh, then you.
Well, I've had this when it was. I got it when it was 250.
Okay. So do it for me, man.
Like the 10s, they're 2K. I got them when they're like $700.
Do it for me. Come on.
I want to do a bigger flip.
Oh, you want to do bigger?
I want to print on your fish and chips. One sec. Let me
get the camera.
let me cook him real quick.
Let me get the camera out.
I'm going to go crazy on his ass right now.
Let me get the camera out.
Okay, let's
So
go.
he wants to cook me on the fish and chips. Oh, wait. So apparently, yeah, Mr. Goat Balls wants to cook me on the fish and chips. So
I'm about to put you on the special menu on Nando's.
special menu on Nando's.
Yeah.
All right, so we're grabbing some singles.
So essentially, you're fine with the middle point at 775 based off.
Yeah, I feel that's okay.
Okay, so I'll do 500 or 1,050.
Do you need my poster?
No, you're good.
500 or 1,000.
That's the same middle point of 775. Ready?
500 1K.
No.
Come on, man.
No.
I'll buy you fish and chips if you come.
No.
to that.
No.
He wants a Nando.
Ready?
500.
1,050.
Let's do it, baby.
Ready?
Let's go. I'm gonna flip.
All right.
I'm gonna flip you. You're gonna flip your own coin and cook yourself.
Okay, ready? I'm flipping my test tube Mewtwo and a bunch of singles. We're gonna coin flip. He's gonna pay me $500 or 1,050. I'll throw you call.
You're gonna book yourself your own coin, big man.
You're calling.
Always on here though.
Sure, on the table.
no.
Has to land on table.
Has to land on the table, yeah? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Go on.
I win regardless.
Let's go, Travis. Hey!
Fuck.
Loaded pools, baby! Yo, listen. I appreciate you. You're a real one. Thanks for the business.
I just got printed on.
Don't worry, listen, when he comes to London, I'm going to buy him fish and chips and Nando's. All right? There you go.
3 or 200 right now. Let's go. Run it. Glaceon. You won't.
360 or free.
What? It's not 180. Get that shit out of here.
180,
It's
bro.
market's 150. I'll pay you 80%.
Japanese, it's 180. All right, 3. 3 or free.
Don't waste my time. I'm trying to help a customer.
3 or free.
I'm trying to let him get to his goals. He has goals here. He has dreams. Yeah. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Where were we at? I said, 1,000, right?
Yes.
1,000. I said 600 here. 360 on these, so 720. So we're at 2,300 so far, or sorry, 2,320. I'm at 410 on this, if you want that. 2,730, that's market. I'm gonna do 80% after. I'll do, let me check if this dropped, because this had like some 650 sales. I'm scared of this Greninja, man. Man, I wish you brought me better cards. I hate this Zard, I hate this Zard, I hate this Greninja, and I hate this Pikachu. I'm being honest. I'll do 650 on Greninja if you want. I said 55.80 here, right? Market? Yeah. Or yeah, I bet 55.80. So 55.80. This is like 510. This thing.
If there's one, take that one.
Hold on, let me see.
Okay.
I'd rather have that than this. I mean, this is the shittiest Pikachu card. Taking the best
Just buy two.
You're taking the best Pikachu card in exchange for the shittiest Pikachu card. I'll value it at 800 if you want. If I value this at 800, that's your value at 80%, 55. Give me 700 cash and it's yours. Or we can coin flip 600 or 800 if you want a coin flip.
What was it?
Either pay me 700 flat, or if you want a coin flip, 600 or 800 for the difference.
I'll do it. I like comfort.
Cash, 200 bucks coin flip? Yeah. Okay. What was your name again?
David.
David? All right, David's trying to cook me right now. David is trading in the Surging Sparks Pikachu, the Pikachu Zekrom promo, a Moonbreon, Brilliant Stars Charizard, 2 Rayquaza Altar from Evolving Skies, Greninja from Twilight Masquerade, a Rayquaza VMAX, and a Blaziken VMAX. And we're gonna coin flip the cash difference. What was it?
800 or 600.
Yeah, 600 or 800 cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you win, you keep this. If you lose, you give me all. And he is taking the Poncho Charizard PSA 10. Tails, heads. Okay? Are you cool with the ground?
Yeah, whatever.
Wherever it lands? All right. Here we go. 600, 800, 3, 2, 1. Call it in the air.
Heads.
Fuck, I think it's heads. Fuck! I lost again. You cooked me. 600 bucks. What's up, man? Oh my God. What do you want?
That's 15.
I can't pay that.
Pay that? Did you do a trade?
For what?
I mean, you got it, so. Mario Ponchos?
The non-sequential set is 20K, 23K. You gotta go, or you want to do it right now? Let's do it. Well, you were here first, I think. You want to trade for test tube?
Yeah.
All right. Let me see. So I value this at 2.2. Let me check that.
With the guard, though?
I have 17 of those guards.
Would you just do these two? So you don't want the guard?
I mean, I'd like the guard,
Right.
but let me check.
It don't matter to me.
I would rather have these two than that, no doubt. These two are market the same, but I'd take that at a percent.
What percent?
Man, I don't even know if I want to do that. Let me think about it. Let me see this real quick. That's a lot harder to move than these.
Yeah, the black level cards.
This is like 2-1. You want a coin flip? The difference?
Alright.
3 or 4?
I got cash.
Zell?
Yeah, so.
300 or 400?
So you don't want the guard.
With the guard, how much?
100 or 200?
I'll do 200 or 300.
It's like the same price with the guard.
I said 300, 400.
Right.
200, 300, $100 less.
That guard's like $300, ain't it?
I've never sold the guard.
Right. That's cool. We can do that.
That, 200, 300?
Yeah.
All right. Fresh, right?
Yep.
All right. My boy Fresh, trading in his Moonbrand with the guard. He wants test tube Mewtwo. If you win, you only got to give me 200. If you lose, give me 300, all right?
Right.
My coin?
Yep.
Heads, tails?
Tails.
You can call it in the air. Ready?
Those tails already.
GP's tails.
Yeah.
This is my face, heads. All right, 3, 2, whatever it lands. 3, 2, 1, good luck. You said tails, right?
Yep.
All right. You win.
And plus 1K flip.
Let me see. Because you're going to ruin my set, and then I'm going to be left with babies. So it's like double negative. Last sold's 11,700.
Okay. The label is crooked.
Half the black labels are crooked anyways. Bro, I'm telling you, like most of these, I can shake it and make the label crooked. Yeah, the guy's an idiot. He could have fixed it. There's 115 sale. Like, let me see. What's cheapest listing? None listed. I used to have this when it was 4K. I can't value this at 15, but let me check the Mario. These are like what, 9.5? This is like close to 6.
Yeah, I think there was like a 9.3.
Yeah, it's like over 9. There's a current bid in auction at 9,400 with 7 hours left. I can't go $1 less than 9,500 on that. That's my cash price on that. So if anybody wants to buy from me, I would want 9,500 cash. And this, the Luigi. How you doing, man?
How much did you say that card was?
Which one? This? 9,500. It's going up. That's probably like 6. Last sold 5,990. So 6,000, 9,500. That's market. 15.5, right?
Yeah, so I'm giving you like 500 over.
Yeah, and then this is, I value this at 12, and I'm going to take it at 80% trade credit.
No way you're counting that. Collector even says like 15 points.
Fuck Collector. They're the most bullshit app.
Look, it's pump 129. There's not much.
Don't give me Collector. Don't me get that Collector bullshit. When people try to sell me their collections with Collector app, I'm like, get that shit out of here.
Only if it's in your face.
What does Collector say this is worth?
I don't fucking know.
I'd love to see that right now. That's the most trade value I'd give you. You give me 5,500, it's yours.
Tired of it. No. The thing is, like I didn't want to. Like,
Hard to sell.
I was just like,
Easy to
he knows
sell.
his shit. I'm going to him.
Consistent comps. And that's me valuing this at 12.5.
Not the best.
All good.
All good.
Appreciate it, man.
You should on it. Alright, go on.
Good day, mate. Oh, you're selling your whole house, huh? Collector's Card House is here with Chibi Collectibles. What is this, a Gucci bag?
Yeah.
Holy shit, look at this Gucci bag. Says ass. Arigatou gozaimashita. Houston? Listen. You want to sell these?
Or trade. How much is on the sweeper?
Oof. There's one on auction right now.
I know.
I think it's gonna go like well over 3.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping.
What would you sell? I feel like I want like high threes for mine.
I stickered it at 3, and then I saw the one was running today.
Oh, that 3 is too
I
cheap.
took the sticker
I
off.
want like 3.8 or something. Yeah, like I think bid's like 3 right now, right? Or 2.9?
It's like 2.7 or 2.8.
Yeah, it's gonna go over 3. It's Suika's the best dog, anyways.
Do you take boxes? No.
Could. How much are they? Like 1,100, 1K?
Yeah, 1100.
I could. Okay. Fuck you, babe. Only Z and G is good. All right. Anyways, these are my cards. This guy wants a polygraph or no? I don't know why. I hate taking cards out. Ah, fucking 9. I hate 9s.
No, you gotta take the 9.
I like this. That's way too much. These are expensive as shit. Let me just put my shit back real quick. 2,300, 2,400. Cash your way. Coin flip.
What was that? 57.
26, 24.
22.
26, 24.
I'm way up from my 1,900 that I said.
You needed to
I
make-
said 1,800.
Oh, no.
27.
Is that an indent?
Oh, don't start that.
Has it got an in there? It's a 10. Look at the number.
Oh, it's not a 10 cert. It's an 8 cert.
That's not.
Corners, edges are absolutely disgusting. In Japan, they pay you 3K for this.
What did you just say? What was the flip?
23, 24.
Oh, no.
Cash.
24, 26.
24, 26. That's good.
That's pretty fair.
That's very fair.
Good
You're
content.
chilling. Man, you're making my hands get sweaty.
The username is Clown.
I have to stand up right now.
Yeah.
Make sure I'm taller than you. Yeah.
Everyone's told him it's
You've got high heels on.
Yeah, totally. I said 23, 24. I'll do 23, 25. Cash. And you keep the sapphire guard.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. It's well worth. That's at least $50 back our way. Probably is.
To be fair, last soul's 48. If you win, you get that. Basic 25. If you lose, 23.
24, 25. We'll do it.
Yeah, 24.
You're making my toes curl.
24, 25. That's fine. You've got loads of room. Fine.
What was it again? 24, 25?
24, 25.
You want to up the stakes?
23, 26. Fine.
Fuck. You call out. Can't watch. Yay.
Oh, God. All right.
So,
Ready?
yep. Wait, what's the...
That's tails, that's heads. I'm just going to show the camera.
Yeah.
All right. My good friends of the UK, Harry and Sam, a.k.a. Chibi Collectibles and...
Lab Frank.
What?
That Lab Frank.
Oh, yeah, that lab Frank, his name is on... That's his dog's name, right?
Yeah.
They want the Munch Pikachu. They're going to trade in Luigi in a 10 and the Latios in a 9. And I'm going to throw some cash on top. We're going to coin flip how much cash I'm going to give them. Either 2,300 or 2,600.
Yep.
Dollar bills, not pounds.
That's fine. Dollar bills.
All right.
Dollar billaroonies.
Tails, heads.
Yes.
Ready to get cooked?
I'll call it.
Ready to get
Ready
cooked?
to get cooked.
All right. Your wife's going to see this. Ready?
Yep.
3, wherever it lands.
Yep.
2, 1.
Heads.
He calls heads. Fuck! It was tails for a second, and then it bounced again. Damn it, I've lost so much.
I like that going.
All right, 2,600, man.